All right, so my situation is I have three Blink Minis, and I just received the Blink Sync Module 2. And the problem I'm having was I just had the cameras existing, and then I deleted them all and added them. The problem is that the cameras have to be added to archive. See on the upper left. So I had a Lakewood, something that was named Lakewood, as you see the front left and front right. So I deleted that, and then under the Sync Module 2, we look at local storage, and now I called it Kitchen. That was like one of the first cameras that I installed. So now it's called Kitchen, and now it's under this. Before, I would not see anything because I had it separated. I did not know that you had to install it within the BlueSync module. So what I'm doing now is going to set up the other two cameras, the left front and the right front. So I'm going to stop the video now. Actually, let me show you one thing first. We hit the play button, that's on the bottom side. See all the stuff that we're getting, the front and right, the front and right, nothing on the front and left. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And if you click it, you'll see that. And that's not what you want to see. That was the first frustrating message that I saw, and probably about an hour trying to figure out how to do it until now, which I have it figured out, and I'm going to share it with you. So I'm going to show you how to reset the minis, and I'll be right back. Okay, here you have your mini, and this is what you want to see after you reset it. You have to hold down. You see that little button right there on the upper left where it says reset? Just hold that down for about 5 or 10 seconds. You'll start seeing both these lights flash. And then when you release it, if you see this, the solid green and the flashing blue, then you're all set and ready to add the camera again to the BlueSync module. So I just wanted to make a quick video of this. Okay, now back to the video. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to delete all of this. So I selected one, just held it down, select all, and I'm going to delete it. So we're no good anyway. So I'm going to go into settings. Here's two cameras. Middle button on the bottom. That's how you get into settings. Hold this down. And I'm going to delete the system. Okay. There goes one. Front right. Delete that system. Okay. Now what you have to do is, this is the key. This is the key. So let's go back home. Let's go into the, let's add something. Let's add one of the cameras again. I'm going to add a mini camera. I am going to use the QR code. One second, guys. I have both these cameras hanging free right now. And here we go. All right. Now, add to an existing system. Or create a new system. See, I was creating a new system, which was bad. Anyway, hit the archive. Let's see what this looks like. This is the one, right, guys? Yeah, okay. We have the blinking blue. Let's go discover device. Let's connect. I'm going to use my, I'm going to hide the password. Let's join that. I don't know why it's connecting to the Blink servers right now. Maybe just to make sure that my camera's legit. I don't know. Okay, successfully done. Now we have two cameras under archive. Archive again is up on the top, the BlinkSync module 2. That's basically self-explanatory to add that. It's the same way as adding the camera, QR code, you name it, whatever you want to name it. This is the key to add to the BlinkSync module. So if we go to local storage, now I have kitchen and this. I did not rename this. I'm not going to rename this right now, but it's really easy to. And then if you want to access your cameras, give me 1 second here. What you'd have to do is, this is the play, this is whatever, this is the settings. So you go into archive, and then where you tap to sort your cameras. I don't think that really makes a difference in what particular order they are in. But if you want to configure it, like this one I want to change, you can change the name right now, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And here is all your configuration that you need. So again, it is under settings, and right in the middle on the bottom, hit the archive, and then tap to sort cameras, and then there's everything. So right now that should be enough for you guys to get this thing going for you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other camera right now just to run it through one more time on how to do everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go back home for a quick second. I'm going to add a device again, and I'm going to add second camera, which is a mini camera. Enter serial number. Here we go. Noticed it. Beautiful. Let's add it to an existing system. I'm not going to create a new one like I did before. I'm going to add it to that. Just want to make sure that everything is good. Got the blinking blue and the steady green. Let's discover it. Let's connect. So anyway, that's about it. Well, I'll do it again. I'll go through the whole thing. Let's join it. Connecting to the Blink servers again. So it should just connect to the BlueSeek module. Okay, done. Okay, now we have 3 cameras. The one in the kitchen. Let's see what that looks like before I end the video. Alright, I hope this video helped you. Hope you enjoyed it. And it will take some of the frustration out of setting up the Blink Sync module too. Anyway, have a great day, and stay safe out there. Take care. Bye.